Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best JK exhaust is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your Jeep JK. Whether you're hitting the trails or just cruising around town, a new exhaust system can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and sound. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Jeep JK exhaust systems, exploring the best options available and what you need to know before making a purchase. Number 5. MagnaFlow 15160, Axleback Exhaust System for Jeep Wrangler. Experience the famous MagnaFlow sound. This system is engineered to deliver a resonant, throaty tone, enhancing your driving experience both inside and out. Dyno testing ensures this exhaust system boosts engine power. It improves exhaust gas flow, leading to noticeable performance gains. Built with durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel. CNC Robotic Manufacturing guarantees reliable performance for the life of your vehicle. It's proudly made in the USA. Designed for easy installation with 3D scanning for an OEM-like fit. The 15160 includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward, do-it-yourself installation. Enjoy worry-free ownership with MagnaFlow's limited lifetime construction warranty. It also includes a 1-year warranty on the black-coated finish. The Street Series enhances power and sound without excessive noise. The mandrel bent pipes and straight-through mufflers reduce exhaust restriction, providing that signature MagnaFlow tone. Features a premium black-coated finish. This provides both style and added protection for your vehicle. What we like. This exhaust system delivers the iconic MagnaFlow sound, giving your Jeep a throaty growl. It also boosts performance, thanks to dyno-proven design. If you're looking for a balance of sound and power, and want a sleek black finish, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The build quality of the muffler is incredible. The finish looks like it will last and not burn off anytime soon. Beautiful welds and no sharp edges. A nice, clean finish and a solid, hefty feel when mounted up. Installation was really easy, actually took about 5 minutes, however getting the old muffler off was a pain in the $8. The new muffler is a breeze to install. Hang the passenger side, attach the pipe, hang the driver side. I've read others where they said it hung uneven or whatever, but mine hung evenly and damn near perfect. Number 4. Flowmaster American Thunder Axleback Exhaust System. Introducing the Flowmaster American Thunder Axleback Exhaust System. This system is designed for enhanced performance and a powerful sound. It's a great upgrade for your vehicle. Featuring 2.5-inch tubing, this exhaust system optimizes exhaust flow. This design helps to improve engine efficiency and overall performance. It's built for durability and long-lasting use. Specifically designed for 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK models. This system ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. It's a direct replacement that enhances your Jeep's capabilities. This exhaust system is compatible with 3.6L and 3.8L engines. It's engineered to maximize the performance of these engine types. The system provides a noticeable improvement in sound and power. Upgrade your Jeep with the Flowmaster American Thunder exhaust system. It delivers a deep, aggressive sound and improved performance. Get ready to experience the thunder. What we like. This exhaust system offers an aggressive sound and increased horsepower. The design ensures easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you like a powerful sound and want a straightforward upgrade, consider this one. What people say. It sounds good, deep tone at idle. Louder when you floor it but not bad at all. It fit perfectly though, down to the exhaust hangers holding it. I would recommend. Gives my Jeep a good sound. If you take it easy on the throttle it's not real loud. If you're hard on the throttle it sounds like a Mustang. Number 3. Rough Country Exhaust for 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. This is the Rough Country Performance Exhaust System. It's designed specifically for your Jeep Wrangler JK. It's a great way to upgrade your vehicle's performance. Featuring a dual axleback design with a rear exit, this exhaust system is built for optimal performance. The design enhances the look and sound of your Jeep. Constructed from corrosion-resistant 409 stainless steel and 2.5 high-flow tubing, this system is built to last. It ensures durability and long-lasting performance in various conditions. The system includes dual-wall stainless steel 304 black tips. It also features a stainless black muffler and clamps. They add a sleek, aggressive look to your Jeep. This exhaust system installs easily into OEM hangars with no welding required. You can install it at home, saving you time and money. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, you can be confident in your purchase. This warranty protects it against defects and ensures your satisfaction. What we like. This exhaust system is built with corrosion-resistant stainless steel. It's designed for easy at-home installation, saving you a trip to the shop. If you value durability and a hassle-free setup, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits my ride just perfect. Adds that amazing low, V6 rumble along with my other modifications. Installing took about 2 hours. I recommend buying a can blaster to help lubricate the rubber grommets to hold the muffler on and to disconnect the exhaust worked pretty good for me. Install was simple and straightforward except for getting the old muffler to break free of the exhaust pipe. Sound significantly louder and deeper, makes the Jeep feel like a race car without being obnoxious. Number 2. Exhaust Muffler System Kit for Jeep Wrangler JK. This exhaust system kit is specifically designed for the Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2007 to 2018. It fits both 2-door and 4-door versions, ensuring a perfect match for your vehicle. The system features a 2.5-inch inlet for high-flow performance. The outlet has 4-inch 304 stainless steel dual-wall exhaust tips, enhancing both the look and the performance. Built to last, this exhaust system is constructed from corrosion-resistant stainless steel. It also features high-temperature spraying technology with a matte black finish, providing durability and a sleek appearance. Installation is straightforward, with no cutting or drilling required. This system is designed for a hassle-free upgrade, allowing you to quickly enhance your Jeep. This exhaust system not only looks great but also delivers a throaty growl. It gives your modified Jeep an aggressive look and a powerful sound. For optimal results, we recommend professional installation. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This exhaust system features a high-flow design for improved performance. It includes stylish dual-wall exhaust tips for an aggressive look. If you want a simple upgrade that enhances both sound and appearance, you should consider this one. What people say. Fits like OEM easy install, nice sound, tips face down so moisture will drain. Looks good and sounds great on my Sahara Unlimited. Easy installation. Good fitment. Number 1. MagnaFlow Jeep Wrangler JK Street Series Exhaust. Experience the legendary MagnaFlow sound. This Street Series exhaust is engineered to give you a resonant, throaty tone. It enhances your driving experience with superior sound levels both inside and outside the vehicle. This exhaust system isn't just about sound, it's about power. Dyno testing confirms that it boosts engine performance. It improves exhaust gas flow, giving your vehicle a noticeable increase in power. Built to last, this system uses durable stainless steel and robotic manufacturing. This ensures reliable performance and corrosion resistance. It's built to withstand the test of time. Installation is a breeze with this direct fit system. 3D scanning ensures an OEM-like fit. It comes with all the hardware you need for easy, do-it-yourself installation. Enjoy peace of mind with MagnaFlow's warranty. You're covered by a limited lifetime construction warranty and a 1-year warranty on the black-coated finish. This ensures long-lasting performance. What we like. This catback exhaust system delivers the iconic MagnaFlow sound, giving your Jeep a throaty growl. It also boosts performance, thanks to dyno-proven design. If you're looking for a balance of sound and power, and want a perfect fit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The system came well packaged and complete and fit my Jeep perfectly. The immediate horsepower and engine reaction time was a noticeable improvement. Perfect combination of sound and performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.